Ultra says, hi, hello Ultra. Welcome to part 165 of the Coding and Game Engine live stream, part 88 of the GUI. We're still doing the ImGUI Doomstar FPS counter. We was looking at info yesterday. So let's continue with that. I'm just going to message her, let them know we are live. We are live. Okay, so what I was going to do, I was going to open up Visual Studio because I was shut. I'll change this over to Project XYZ as well. Okay, so yeah, so we had added the library file because we got a library file got spawned as a result of what we was doing yesterday. And code. Still doing its thing. Okay, so external libraries. As a result of where do you live? I live in the UK. How about yourself? So we got that there, and I linked it up as well because it was called info.where.d.lib. And if we go to platform, if I have a look at this a second. Now if we go to linker input, so we have infoware/lib. We've got that there. And in input we have these bad boys. Do we even need that? They're still there to be there? See what happens. Still the same issue. I wonder if also all these are the ones that I added as well. If I control D that. No. So let's see what unresolved external symbol means. I just want to know what should you need to make a file to .lib and why make it to .lib just for security. I mean, I guess technically security, but also it's just already compiled. Then it's already just your compiled library. You don't need to keep compiling again. You can easily distribute that and probably faster as well. When you actually run a project, you'll get compiled to library files. Now what's happening here? So we got the library file. Does look like it's no, it's not it. My built-in. See the issue, maybe something that in there that might help. Or system information, it's a Node.js thing. Literally none of this is helping at all. Be back, I'm just gonna grab a snack. back now. None of this still does not make sense to me. Oh, this is very melty. I should help fix that issue. I'll have that afterwards. Okay. And one last thing, I don't know if you remember, I think it was about 2 or 3 weeks ago, I told you I want to make a OpenGL course in Unity right now. Gonna have the course. Good stuff. Sounds good. I'm learning OpenGL. Any tips? 1 second, let me just deal with Ultra. And where do you prefer I just actually post about it? In terms of self-promotion, if you're talking about that, just in the Discord group, there's literally a channel. I'm pretty sure it's good. I'll just do a check what the channel's called. Pretty sure on the Sonar Systems Discord group, under general, not the general channel, but the general category, there's a channel called Showcase. Posted in there. That's what that's for. Showcase to people. And I say don't do at everyone because that will annoy people. And I'm literally the main one person who does at everyone because it's my Discord group. And so you're learning OpenGL. Any tips? Keep at it. Obviously, there's resources. We got our tutorial series. You can check the channel. There's the channel. There's learnopengl.com. There's ogldev.com or ogl.com. He's just recently started a YouTube channel as well, which is good. OGL Dev. Yeah, ogldev.org. I don't know if he's got it linked on here. So if I go open window, has he got the video linked on there? Yes, he has. That's good stuff. That's a good idea, that is. Because he had killer resources for written stuff. Okay, so yeah, so this is, you've got a bunch of videos now. He's still going. I remember I spoke to him a little while ago. Last one was a week ago.
Hey guys, welcome back to OGL Dev. Today I'd like to continue the
11 days ago.
implementation of the camera that we camera in floating point, but we know that the left vector will also be unit vector, but I will create this matrix. Okay. So that's it for today. As you can see, we can move the camera using the keyboard, but
yeah, his stuff is good. Obviously, he's got the written stuff and he started doing videos now. And the great thing about his videos, I'd say, and his resources is that they're up to date. As you doing them now. So if there's any questions you have, we get a quick response from him. What project did you first make in OpenGL to really get comfortable in it? At uni we did a bunch of stuff. Second year uni we did, I think it's called Puma 2000 robot. There's this Puma robot. I don't think it's in relation to the sports company Puma, and it's used in industrial stuff all the time. We decided to create a model simulation of it. That was the first thing. That helped a fair bit. That helped with C++ as well. In general, we was learning C++ that year for the first time as well. But that was old OpenGL. Then even in final year uni, we did old OpenGL. We actually created a game engine in OpenGL, and then we had to create a tank game on top. No, we had to create a game. We chose a tank game because my mate John loves tank games, and so we did that. In terms of getting comfortable, probably around about then. The theory, definitely. The code, probably after when I started teaching it online. Modern OpenGL stuff. If need be, I will just use a different thing. C++, get CPU, no, get system info. If I can just get a library for it, that'll be great. One second, the AC's having a hyper attack. AC's whack, I'm gonna return it. Possibly could be something useful. So what are we getting here? Number processors, that's all well and good. But I would like my usage information as well. Yes, this is get system info, which we've already essentially done or seen here somewhere. I think you commented on and deleted automatic. I don't know. What commented on where? In that showcase thing? What are you commenting? Post it in here in the chat. I'm gonna assume that's not in there, built in. So hash include q. Doesn't look like it. Okay, so I'll get you the computer memory. Google this. Let's copy that for now. Is there nothing else I can get from it? sysinfo dot. Seems like for the most part that's everything. It's a shame that is, cause that would have helped a fair bit. What can we get on here? That was and without to get that from here anyway. Not quite. RAM info. See what you can get from RAM info. You think you can you get how much RAM, total RAM, and how much RAM is currently being used? It's only the public stuff. Serial number, form factor, part number, memory, RAM number. Guessing that must be the total RAM number. That don't really help much. So working at CPU. So yeah, current clock speed, current temperature. I want to get usage. So live usage. Does not seem like it has it. What's even gonna go on? C++ system Can I see the progress of the game engine? I mean, there really is no progress to see because there's nothing really going to appear on the screen. You can see all the code. It's available on GitHub. There's a link obviously in the description for it, but you're not really going to be able to see anything. Yeah, I'll do like channel videos are good, but he's become so clickbaity as well. Especially his thumbnails. And yeah, I guess why not? Like when that's what gets the views.
Hey guys, what's up? My name is Kate. I wanted to add it, which basically just a difficult for Jade Engine. I know there's a. This really is just not the direct.
So with clickbaitiness is at the start now.
Benchmarking. So you've just written some code and you want to see how fast that when it's made. I'm going to write a stop function, but this will be automatically.
I do like his voice though, his accent.
Like this, because I want this to be scope based, which basically means that it's tied to the lifetime of the object. So, in other words, when this add instruction anyway here results, okay, so now make sure for the series application on com/determined.
See, I've already covered this. That's all well and good, but the goal to make in making the game engine is to make an engine that I and everyone else can use to easily make games that have features in there that are, I think, are common in games. Not just obviously drawing and, you know, physics or menu systems, but like going with menu systems, I think there's some stuff that I feel like we've added a system in there that we can have menu, like menu buttons, but added features where you can have it automatically centered, you can have extra ones easily added but programmatically, you can have like specify what'll be backwards and forward but like up and down, but like in an easy manner. I feel like other engines just convolute it a bit. I do have some games in mind initially once the engine's done, hopefully by the end of the year. I'm hoping March, but it's going to be probably end of the year now. I'm going to do a couple of clones. I'll do Pong and I'll do Arkanoid Breakout, and then once I've done that I'm going to start my own stuff. I was originally going to start something small with a sort of high score based sort of game mechanic. I'm thinking about now doing some sort of 2D like SimCity classic city builder. Really want to do that. I've got a few ideas, and there's a link in the description to the not the GitHub page, the Google Drive page that I created yesterday, where you can contribute ideas. There's a spreadsheet where it's open to everyone to contribute ideas to, and anything that I come up with I'll put in there as well. Some stuff in my head at the moment, I haven't really put it there yet, but will. See, like all of this is cool, but it's not what we want. I mean, some of it is, but I want to know system usage. So I'll keep this open because I feel like this will be useful, but not what I directly need right now. Let's try what I got here. So this is the completed one. Copy that. Okay, we're not using any headers that should be to external file. This run. Oh, he logs it out. Gonna log it out as log.csv. And that should have been in here. Wouldn't be in there. I put it there. That's fine. So edit. So we got percentages. Which I know that this ain't live, but let's have a look what this could have potentially have been for. Probably was CPU percentage. Or the 45% of that'll be total RAM usage. This is RAM in total. This is RAM used, I'm guessing. I don't know, 15, 26, 39. I don't know what that's directly referring to, but this may be the one. Let's try doing it in here, and let's try running this infinitely while put while 1. So 1 is a true condition, or while true I could have put, to be fair. So again, performance. Yep, that refers to RAM. 32708 will be the total amount of RAM that we got. I'm happy with that. The 17, maybe 35780. That must be the committed stuff, I guess. Let's have a look. We got it right here actually. Minute, second. So don't care about that. CPU load. DW memory, total physical memory, total available memory. Okay, so yeah, they should just be a difference of each other. So that plus that, this should get us this. Not too sure there. That don't quite line. What's the last three values? It's extended virtual memory, total virtual memory, but I mean we're getting somewhere though. I mean we are really getting somewhere with this. Last through this. We're not gonna be finishing this today, but using all this, I'm probably gonna end up creating my own library for system information, and then I will probably commit that online separately. So you'll have that library as well. question is, if I create a separate library, should I put it as external or internal? If I create it external. I will start the project in a second. Let me finish this. Okay, let me just go and wash my hands and go to the toilet. Then I'll start that project. Do a bit now, but then I'll have to wrap up because me and my wife will go to the cinema. Create a new. I'll copy that. We provide CMake for the engine. Is that? I'm pretty sure it's something that's on the. I've got not yet, but it's something I would like to put in there. Yeah. Looking forward to getting all through this. I might just do this in Visual Studio Code. Okay, so let's create a. Got a C project here. I don't want a C project. I'm gonna go to open folder, desktop, create new folder. System info. Okay, so let's create a new file. Gonna call it main.cpp. Save it. Give it a run, see what happens. Don't actually need this anymore. I can probably get rid of. Line 118. delete that a second. How do I? How do I change the configuration again for? Screw it, I'm just gonna whack it in Visual Studio Code. It'll be a console application. I'm gonna put it on the desktop. Information. I'm gonna create that and then I'm gonna wrap up. Okay, that seems to be all good. Yeah, and we can obviously tweak how often it should run. So like for sleep run for like 20 instead, so you'll run 10 times as fast now. Yeah, so that's not an issue. And that might be a bit too much. Probably better now. Oh, that was just me. So I've got that to retrieve stuff. More stuff as well. I'm gonna create a whole library for this. Probably grab this as well. There's a bunch of stuff I'm gonna grab, so I'll get that done. So yeah, I've already got frame rate and whatnot in there. I'll get all of this from what I'm doing now, hopefully. Then the graphs are just based on that anyway, so that's fine. And I'll be able to get all this information as well. So it should be all good. Hopefully next time we should get the library complete, and then the time after that we should actually get it implemented into ImGUI. Won't be long. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap up now. I wanna thank everyone for watching, and next time it's gonna be 166, 89, boom, dum 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 dum. And if I go to and that's it. That is it indeed. So I want to thank everyone for watching. I'll see you